Many participants in the AI Bootcamp want to build solutions that help them to stay on top of the information that's relevant for them. I'm Fabian, and I'm running the AI Bootcamp and helping those people build their AI solutions. This is Theresa. She is Global Partner Ecosystems Manager at Siemens, and an important part of her role is to research opportunities for cooperations and for new projects. That's why in the bootcamp, she built a lead generator for higher education projects. Let's have a look at how this works. The first thing it does is it crawls through a few valuable online researches that Theresa curated herself. So from this, it gets the web content, translates it to text, and keeps it as a resource for the AI to process later. The next thing it does is for all the countries that Theresa has defined, it does a Google research about potential projects, does a Perplexity Sonar research, which is a deeper way of researching the web in a more structured way, and then compiles the information it finds from those different resources for all those countries in a Google Sheets table for then the team to build on. So what we can see is this is not only running for one country, but for all the countries she configured. In this case, India, Emirates, Canada, so Germany and the UK. When it has found those different results from Google and from Perplexity, it compares them to avoid duplicates and also prioritizes them based on criteria that Theresa has collected. And also for each and every opportunity, it collects the right kind of information that she needs to make decisions together with her teams. While this is still running, we can also see that for every country, it enters all the rows into a Google Sheet. Let's open that sheet. We can see it over here. So we can see Durham University, UK, and then we have Hamburg for Germany, different countries coming up here, India now. And for every country, we have some brief summary. For every opportunity, we have also the source URL that we can open and see where the information comes from. And then when the agent is done collecting all this information, on top of the last step, you can see that it sends an email to the teams, and in the teams email, it just sums up on a very abstract level about what is happening there, and of course adds a link to the file. So if you want to build something like this yourself or something completely different, join the bootcamp. We're going to have the next session soon, and I'm looking forward to see you there.